What's going on, guys? Jeremy here, Nasty2SS in the nasty garage. As always, you guys have seen it before, it is dirty. If you look right here, got the Camaro up on jack stands. There's that new splitter. I might make a separate video on this, but shout out to Nick's Customs, that's with 2 S's. Check him out on Instagram. He sent me this custom splitter supporting rods. I wasn't gonna do these at first, but I think they actually look kind of cool. So I'm gonna leave the hood down for right now. Holly is inside watching one of her TV shows, I think, unless she's creeping over there. Nope, she's still inside watching one of her TV shows, and I kind of wanted to make a video together with her. She's never done an oil change before. Obviously, this is something crazy simple that anybody can do, or anybody can learn how to do really quick. I've got the car up in the air ready for her. She's gonna be out here shortly. Got 8 quarts of Mobil 1 5W30 synthetic oil. I think I'm just gonna stick with that. I did the Valvoline on the last oil change, and I have not changed this oil in forever, and that's really bad and negligent on my part. At the same time, I don't drive the car a whole lot, but I don't like that dirty oil just kind of sitting down there in the motor, so that's what we're gonna do today. For the younger guys out there, if you just got a car, you just got a Camaro, really any car, and you don't know how to change oil, this would probably honestly be a perfect video. Honestly, it takes probably 10 minutes to do an oil change, 15 if you include getting the car up front wheels off the ground so you can get up under there, and depending on what you drive, you might not even have to do that. Stay tuned, guys. Gonna wait for Holly. Go ahead and get this video started.
Tell me what to do.
What do you do first?
I don't know what I do first.
Open the hood. I'd start there.
Is it latched or whatever?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to even do that.
You know how to open it.
No, I don't.
There's a light. It's right here. And just lift it. Okay. Now what?
I knew where it was in my car.
Take the oil cap off.
Can I even reach it?
Yeah, you can reach it.
Okay. Which way am I going?
That way. I'll just lift it, yeah.
Okay.
I'll just like stick it right here. Or something, yep. That way, if you're like the guys who forget to put oil in the cars, that way if it closes down on that, you know.
Good trick.
But some people leave the caps on and then forget because the cap's on it and they don't pour oil in it. They just drain it and drop it.
But how would you, how would you skip that step?
You'd be surprised it happens. Okay. Let's go get the filter wrench. Where did I put it?
Okay.
Okay, now you have to crawl under.
Okay, from which?
Probably the front's the easiest. Don't hit the bottom of this, because it scraped my arm earlier. Like on the way out, don't hit that. So just crawl under. I'll lay here with you.
Here, you hold that for a sec.
Okay, go ahead.
Should I crawl backwards or?
We'll be right back. All right, here's the wrench, filter wrench. Okay, yeah, put it on.
Okay.
Flip it the other way. Now do you want gloves?
Is it hot?
No, but you get oil on you. Hold on.
Well, it'll wash off, right?
You don't want that under your nails. It makes a mess. Here. There you go.
I really don't know how you do this. Your choice makes sense.
Make sure you have that under it.
I will, it's not right now.
I mean, you just crack it loose and then you can turn it by hand. Okay, now put that back on how you had it.
Okay.
Alright, now turn it. Turn it towards the tire.
This thing's in the way. Where am I supposed to have it?
You might have to finagle it.
Oh my god.
Just kind of like pull it.
I am, but there's a pipe in the way.
Then move it more towards, like adjust it to where the handle's more towards this side of the car.
That side. But then this piece hits.
You have to catch the sweet spot in the middle.
Okay, like that.
Yeah, wherever you can twist it.
I don't get it.
Wherever you can twist it.
I can't twist it anywhere.
All right.
This pipe here.
You can get a little bit of turn on it. Make sure it's tight.
Yep.
Like, tight on there. Oh, is it turning?
No.
Okay. Watch out, I'll come get it. You want to come get it started?
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
Okay.
I'm just trying to keep this stupid oil pan under it too.
Make sure it's fully on there. Okay, alright. I'll come get it started. Be right back. Alright.
Should I use this still or just try my hands?
You can try it by hand. I cracked it loose a little. And she's gonna pop it off.
Yeah, totally.
It's nice if you have it for a 3/4 ratchet. They've got a filter cup. It's spinning.
I don't have it. Oh,
You can go higher up to the base of the filter too if you have. There you go.
okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
I'll just twist my hand. It'll start leaking in a minute. Just let it drain when it does.
Like take it all the way out though?
Not yet. Just loosen it and just stop when it starts leaking. You can turn a little more. Better to do it on a warm motor so there's oil pressure. Having fun?
It's like lukewarm. Do you want me to turn it more?
Yeah, you can go ahead and pull it out. That's fine. I'll
Will
have
it like splash?
Yeah, just try and hold the filter and set it in the container. Trying to just let the filter drop. You need me to get you a rag?
No. I don't care. I just don't want it to go everywhere.
Oh, we're fine.
See the bottom of the glove?
Yeah. They do that. I have more gloves if you want to pull that one off when you're done. I'll give you another.
Your car all gross.
Well, just set it in the drain pan. All right, now lay it down. Okay. Now you can take your gloves off if you want. Well, actually, keep them on. Let me pass you this filter.
Okay.
All right, take the filter. Now use the oil on your dirty glove and lube up the.
Around here?
Yep. Is it lubed good?
Looks like it.
All right. Now just start screwing it back on the other one. Just tighten it as much as you can with your hand.
Slipping a little because of the wind.
All right.
That's as much as I want to go.
You can put the wrench on it and just do like a 1/4 turn to tighten it. Don't go like 5 turns like some people.
Wait, oh God, now I have to think how to do it backwards. So which way?
Other way. I can't see. Yeah, other way.
That's how I was doing it before, though.
You know, tighten it that way. Turn it towards me.
Same thing.
I mean, honestly, you can hand tighten it
It's slipping. Like it
Okay.
won't turn anymore.
with your hand.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Oh.
Put that around your hand and tighten it.
Isn't this a nice one?
No, it's dirty. Is it tightening?
Mm-hmm.
Just do it as tight as you can with your hand. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I trust you. Here you go. Take that. Do you know where the drain plug is?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Drain plug. Alright,
Can I do it with my hand?
Yep, if you can put your fingers on it. Don't let it overshoot that. You'd be like one of them lube guys.
I mean, I think that's right.
Yeah, I mean, your guess. Keep running there.
How forceful is it gonna come out?
There shouldn't be a lot of pressure in it right now. I mean, I ran it for 5 minutes an hour ago. There you go. Now you can just set the drain plug on the rag right there. Okay. And just let it drain.
How many quarts does it take?
8.
Jesus.
And that's a 23 quart pan.
I was gonna say, how big is this thing?
Yeah, it'll hold plenty.
Obviously big enough, but it is really claustrophobic under here.
Yeah, lifts are very nice.
I've never been under here.
You don't have to worry about cars falling on you.
So true.
As much,
If
as
this
much.
fell, I
It
would
still
be dead
happens.
because this pipe is above my head.
Yeah. Yeah, imagine it hot under there.
No,
Yeah,
no,
the
that's
dealership,
making
they
the
come in.
claustrophobia worse.
We used to get them, they were so hot. But at the same time, you weren't laying under it. You could stand and not bump your stuff on anything.
Yeah, whatever this bolt by my knee is, I keep getting that.
That's something on the sub. Oh, that's a motor mount.
So when this drains, I just put the thing back on and then we fill it?
Yep. So we will be right back when it's done draining, and Holly will pop the drain plug back in.
Okay.
All right. And pop the plug back in. The plug.
And that's fine?
Yeah, it's gonna drip a little. It's gonna drip from the filter too.
I can't see this.
Because the filter housing up there, I mean, it runs down and it'll get down the side of the oil filter, so it's fun.
Where's the thing?
Now that's a 1/2 wrench. You normally would use either a box wrench or like a 3/4 ratchet, but so you don't want to put too much torque on it. You can move that pan out of your way. So don't go crazy tight on that because there's a lot more torque on that 1/2 inch. Okay.
I think that's it.
That's it. Alrighty.
Okay,
Now
now I have to get out.
slide out.
Okay.
Do you need help? Don't touch me with your oily hands.
No, but I think can you do this.
Yeah. Be right back.
I'm gonna be like the little kid with the gallon of milk who tries to pour it and pours it all over the counter.
You'll be fine. Alright, I'll hold it for you. You're
I'll
fine.
go slow.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh god.
Got it?
Will it drip down?
You
Will it drip down?
just pour it like you'd pour anything. That's fine. Here you go. Just go easy.
Will it drip at the end?
Not if you lift it, right? Like when you're pulling out. It always drips a little when you pull it out.
I was just...
Here you go, yeah. Next, they're in that bag, yep. So that was 5 now. 3 more. And then you can start it and check it. Super bright, oh my gosh. I'll show you how to reset the oil life too. Then make sure that's on. Yep. So that's on?
Yep.
Okay. Menu again. Alright. Scroll.
How do you scroll? Oh.
Twist that. Now hold that set button on the corner. Scroll. Set. Okay, you can start it. Alright, you can turn it off. Okay, now we check it. Alright, I pull it, wipe it off completely. Alright, you know what to do.
If I can...
Because your Beetle lost so much oil, you had to know how to check it.
I had to put quarts in it every month. Come on.
Go ahead, go all the way in. Okay.
The bug dipstick was shorter.
Yeah, that's a long one. Alright. There we go. Yeah, you can see when the light hits it. That's good. Alright guys, so back in the house. Shout out Dino X. Back in the house, Holly's getting cleaned up, getting all the oil and grease off of her and all that good stuff. So that's pretty much it. Started the car up, drove it around the block. Everything's good. Like I said, simple oil change. Holly did it. She did an awesome job. Everything's nice and snug. I'm not gonna lie, I did go back under the car to make sure everything was nice and snug. Everything was tight. So Holly did a great job. Thank you. So I think I'm gonna get her to just change my oil all the time now, so I don't have to crawl up under there. But anyways, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Gonna have a really cool install video for you. Possibly a product that I'm gonna be, I don't know, necessarily giving away, probably raffling off, but it'd be honestly really cheap, maybe $5 to $10. Comment below if you guys are cool with that. Simple raffle, man, $5, $10 a person, nothing crazy. I'm gonna show you guys what it's gonna be, more than likely what it's gonna be on next week's video. So that's it. I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.